Hello, this is Mandy with Scott Leroy Marketing. I'd like to show you how to set up a free Google business profile. The purpose behind that is so that when consumers go and search the internet for you on Google search results, you will have a nice little business profile that will populate on the right with photos and important links, and you will be easily accessible to those consumers. They can reach out to you in a couple of clicks or less. So we'll go ahead and get started and walk you through this process. I do want to let you know, please use an email that is a non-KW email account. The KW email accounts are not compatible at this time with Google Business Profiles. So we'll go ahead and click Get Started. And if you are not currently logged in to your email account, it will ask you to go ahead and do that. So we'll just log in here. Always good to know what your current password is. There we go. And it's just going to have me verify really quick. You may also get this same pop-up. You would just look at your mobile device and you should have a pop-up on your screen when you open your Gmail app asking to verify if that is you. Once you've verified your email account, you should be brought to this screen here, and it will ask you to go ahead and confirm your business name. So you can do that. And create the business name. You can click continue. And here you'd want to choose your business type. We'll go ahead and say it's service since it's real estate and choose next. From here, enter a business category. So we'll go ahead and start typing real estate, and you can see the multiple choices popping up. Just choose whichever one best suits your particular business. We will choose agent and choose next. And where do you serve your customers? Now, this is an optional field, but you can go ahead and enter that if you would like to. We'll just choose a random city here. Trying to think of one. You know, whenever you try to think of something random, your brain kind of goes blank. There we'll go. So we'll go ahead and choose a particular area. As you can see, you can go ahead and choose multiple if you would like, and we'll choose next. Here, you'll go ahead and choose the information that you would like to show. So we will put our phone number here for Scott Leroy Marketing. And you can also enter a website as well. And choose next. Now you can go ahead and choose it on a map. Um, and this, again, is letting you know that you'll be easily discovered by people in your particular area, and they'll be able to respond to reviews and things like that. So, or you'll be able to respond to reviews on your particular business profile. So here you can also select and opt in to get news and tips about how to improve your profile. And you can also get invitations to participate in occasional surveys as well. Choose whichever you prefer, and we'll go ahead and click continue. From here, you can enter your mailing address. Go ahead and put, and just choose a random address there. Go ahead and choose verify later, or you can verify now if you would like. Please do know that post office boxes are not eligible. And this particular mailing address that you supply, it will be hidden from the public and not the one that is displayed on your profile. So you can choose again, verify later or choose next. And there is a particular verification process that you need to go through. I'm going to choose next just so you can see what this looks like. It will actually have you go through getting a phone code or supplying a business video. This is where you record a video of your business showing the location, equipment, proof of management, things like that. It can get pretty detailed. If neither one of those works, you can go ahead and choose other options and it will give you an option to verify later if you would like. Just remember to come back and do that for your business profile. We'll go ahead and choose verify later, and it just lets you know that you can continue making edits, but they won't be visible to customers until you complete the verification process. But again, just choosing verify later so that we can move through this process and show you again how to continue customizing that profile on your Google Business profile. From here, you can select services that your business provides, and this helps you kind of find a keyword search and be in front of more consumers based on these particular terms. So, if you see a niche here that you like to operate in, you can go ahead and choose one or more, and you can even add custom services, excuse me, right here at the bottom as well if you'd like. So we'll go ahead and choose next. You can add your business hours, so we'll just choose to show those 6 days a week, and you can even choose the particular hours that you operate. So you can go through here and choose those as you would like. For the sake of time here, we'll just go ahead and leave that on 1 day. But as you can see, you can toggle on and off as many as you would like, and that will be editable later if you do want to come back and change those. We'll choose next. And you can add a business description if you would like to. Again, wrapping up, setting up this profile and choose next. You can add photos if you would like, or you can go ahead and skip this option, but this will help show either your products, your business, maybe your headshot, things like that. And you can go ahead and choose those by selecting images and pull them off of your device here. We'll choose skip for this particular step. And now you do get an offer from Google for $1,000 advertising credit. If you would like to do that, you can move forward with claiming your credit if you want or skip. Please know that this is separate from your paid ads within your command account. This would be actually placing Google ads directly through Google themselves, and that particular $1,000 credit would not apply to your paid ads that are within your command campaigns. We'll go ahead and choose skip. And your edits, again, will be visible to consumers once we choose to verify that account. So you can go ahead and click continue. That wraps up setting up your business profile. And at any point, you can come in and log into your Google account if you would like and come in and help verify that particular profile. You can see right down here that your business is not visible to customers just yet, but you can come and edit your profile or go ahead and get verified so that it is publicly visible. If you have any questions at all about how to set up that Google business profile or any of your other KW platforms, please feel free to reach out to us via email. Our email is support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.